Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. It's time for a bird video.
Alright, there's no audio for a while because the birds are real quiet and I had left the air conditioner running, so I decided to go ahead and do a little commentary to fill in the gap. So here's the new idea. I'm going to try to do this, the commentary, with the actual camera facing me and blend it into the video. Aren't these some absolutely gorgeous bajurgers? Look at them. Look at the pattern on Jay's head. It's just the prettiest thing in the world. It's so complex, and it goes down around his eyes and everything. It's just, man, up close. And this isn't too bad. This is that camera phone, almost zoomed all the way in, I think. And I got me a new little hand-wound tripod device that I'm actually using right now for the camera to record this, or I'd show it off. But and it's doing really good actually for the image stabilization, isn't it? You know, for being a cell phone. I got a video I'll make about it to show it off, because it's just so worth it to get one of these if you want to do a little, you know, mobile recording and everything. But back to the birds. Look at the pattern on Jay's back. Look at that pattern. Look at those feathers. Just the wings. And same with Kay. When Kay comes over and flies over here in a minute, and get a good zoom in and focus. Look at the pattern on his back as well. And look at the color blend. A little bit of yellow tinged with the blue. It's between the two birds, they're almost fluorescent. I mean, it almost looks like Jay glows under ultraviolet light or something. And same with Kay. Look at that. Just some of the most colorful, beautiful birds in the world. And they're so happy too. They're making so much noises and everything. In fact, there you go. You hear Jay right there in the background making noise. Hey, Jaybird, what you doing, buddy? Jaybird, what you doing, buddy? Hey, guy. Yeah, watching you. You want to come over and watch TV with me? Come on, buddy. KK, come on over and see me. Guys, come open from the camera. Show off. There we go. Well, there's Jay up there anyway, and he's over here on the screen. Jaybird, come here. Come see me, buddy. Bad bird, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come for you? Bad bird. Jaybird, come on. Hey, cuckoo. You cuckoo for the Cocoa Puffs? Jaybird's so cuckoo. He's a cuckoo for the Cocoa Puffs. Oh, alright, somewhere around here, I imagine the birds get kind of noisy. Yeah, sorry about all the air conditioning noise. But aren't they just adorable? And they're getting to be such little chatterboxes too when they get in the mood. I love the heck out of them. So, tell me, what do you think of this new setup? Doing the commentary like this on when the birds get quiet or boring or whatever. I'm gonna have to probably end up putting in a Bluetooth earbud, patch it through so I can hear when they're making noise or whatever, to try to blend this better. But I wonder if this is a good effect, or if I need to find a whole new way to blend this, like with software, you know, where I can actually like live stream onto the video edit or what. But here, let me show you what it looks like from this end. You see what I'm doing? I got the bird video playing on the big screen. I got the webcam right over here, and it's pointed at me, so I'm watching the bird video while I shoot with the webcam, recording on the computer, and then I'll blend this in with the video editor.
Answer the phone, Joshua!
Oh, it's over.